In this episode of Encap TV, we're going to talk about how to build a business for profit, a business that can do well even when the economy takes a dip. So stay tuned and we'll share some tricks with you that will help you grow a profitable business. When the economic market falls, Encap rises. And that's a cool thing. This has happened. I was in this business in 2008. I saw what happened then as the market dove. Encap did quite well. In fact, when people reel back, they want to take care of what they have. And it's a great opportunity for you to get out there now and sell to your commercial clients and keep those buildings in good condition. People want to feel good, especially when there's health concerns like we see now. The building's dingy, drab, dumpy looking building. They need to improve the quality of the building, the indoor appearance. Another point that you want to consider is that with encapsulation, we can get price competitive. We can actually nail some numbers that will make it easy for us to keep the building in good condition, maintain that carpet, help them to extend the longevity of their carpet and get the most life out of it. All of that makes a lot of sense, and that's the button to be pushing as you sell to your customers, that you're going to extend the life of the carpet and keep it in its best looking appearance and improve the health of the building. So those three things: extending the life of the carpet, improving the appearance, and improving the indoor air quality, health of the building by keeping the place clean. So those are factors that are very sellable, marketable in an economy, especially one that is driven by the health concerns that we see today. So when the market dives, Encap goes up. That always is the case, and you'll find that now too. So go out there and work with your commercial customers and help them see the value of getting their carpets in good condition. Now, I mentioned the health of the building. Keep in mind that everything in the whole building, by way of gravity, goes to the floor. Everything in the building falls down. That's what gravity does. So ultimately, everything's going to land in the carpet. The carpet acts as a filter, holds all of that soil there, and cleaning it unloads the filter. Now, by maintaining the carpet on a regular basis, the whole package, the entry mats, making sure that they're vacuuming well on a regular basis, periodic hot water extraction, and a good Encap program, a good routine of encapsulation, all that works together to keep the carpets in good condition and improves the overall appearance and the health of their building. Now, while we're talking about the economy, I wanted to talk to you about this product right here, Encap-Basic. Encap-Basic, we actually came out with this product back in 2008 when the economy took a dive back then. It's a product that's built for a bad economy. It's when you want to crunch the numbers, sharpen your pencil, and just dial it in and get good results still. Now, what we did with this product is we took out some of the more costly components that go into some of our other more premium products. Encap-Basic, though, still performs extremely well. It dries down brittle, it encapsulates great, and it's less expensive to work with. So if you're in a situation where you really need to crunch your numbers, give Encap-Basic a try. It is built for profit. And so you're going to find that using Encap-Basic will help you to drive your costs down and still get very good results. If you are driven by cost and you just want a good maintenance program that's going to really just enable you to get in there and get the job done efficiently and profitably, you might want to give Encap-Basic a try. So that's something you might want to consider. Hopefully these tips about driving your business forward in an economy that's going downward, hopefully that will help you get some ideas. This is not, the sky's not falling, as the old story about Henny Penny. Now's the time actually for you to get out there and push it and promote your business and grow a strong business even in an economy that's dipping down, as we see happening right now. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this will help you to max your Encap. We're here to help you at Excellent Supply. If there's anything we can do, let us know. And please hit the like, subscribe, comment below. We appreciate it when you do that too. Thanks for watching and have a great day.